wasn't too much of a pain to get out, but I got it out. Now I may have to actually replace the exhaust because the bolts are rusted. I'm trying to take it off now, but oh boy. Ah man, those little screws right there. I gotta get one of those hammer things. There's 2 pieces of sheet metal I still need to take off. That one, and I think oh no, I can get that other side off, but I got this mounted on the engine stand. I've been working on it, but now I need one of those things that you hammer that unscrews. Ah, success, success. I got one of these stubborn sons of guns to come out now. Look at that, it spins now. Yay. Well, it is a good thing that I'm taking all of the metals off to clean them up, because I am cleaning out this stuff, and look at the airflow around the cylinders. That all needs to be cleaned out. You can see it's all gunked up. So we are going to be cleaning all this out too. Oh boy. Some Bosch spark plugs. Gonna put some rags in here. It's not looking too bad in there, I don't think. Oh man. Kind of see down in there. Oh well, more to come. Okay, now I'm really happy. I've just finished taking the sheet metal off on this side, and oh man, I'm so happy I didn't just start driving this thing. Wow. Alright, so here's where I'm at. It's the next day. I've got most of this blown out with some air, and you can tell I've got a lot of the crap off of it. The vacuum's full of this stuff now, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some brake clean sitting over there, and we're gonna go ham with some brake cleaner to clean these vents out, and we're gonna try out our new camera here to capture this. So we'll see how this goes. Progress is being made. Way more difficult than I thought I was getting myself into, but honestly, I can't wait to have a functioning bus. This is going to be great. All of these vents are just full of crap. We need to put on this little penetrating fluid wonder. We have some cardboard underneath, so it will not drip down onto the floor, but I still do need to take the bottom metals off. Getting all this disgusting stuff off. So basically, I'm gonna have to probably take this fan off to be able to get the rest of the stuff off. And I do notice that The fan is missing one fin, so I gotta talk to my guy to find out if that's a bad stopping thing. But we gotta take this alternator off, which should be an interesting ordeal. But all in all, it is starting to look way more clean than it was. It doesn't have the rat's nest in it anymore. Oh man. So more to come. Probably oil pulling out. So I'll probably bring you guys out, back after that. But what I'm gonna probably do is get down up underneath here, and it's time to start working on this. So we got the tins here underneath that need to be pulled off. We got the oil to pull out. And then we got these exhaust boxes here that we got to pull off. And then once all that's off of there, it's just you're gonna see the jugs and pistons. And then at that point, I may actually involve my Volkswagen Pro guy who's been dealing with Volkswagens for a very long time, just to make sure that I don't put money into something that I'm gonna have to replace. So that's kind of where we're at. I also did replace the hinge here on the door. That is a new hinge, so now I can actually open and close the actual door, which is really nice. So that makes it easier to put a lot of the spare parts back in there. And again, we have all of this to work on now too. I still have to pull the transmission out so I can get the basically all the shifter stuff all fixed, because there's a long pole that has some bushings on it. The bushings got to be replaced. So that's where we're at. We are getting there.